Are you ready to assess the exact strategy that is being used by successful digital marketers? Hello there. Welcome to our digital marketing crash course. My name is Ignatius Emeka, and I'm going to guide you through the journey of digital marketing. In this course, you'll learn the important skills and strategies needed to excel in the digital marketing world, from SEO to social media marketing. You will learn the exact same skills that is being used by successful digital marketers out there. Whether you're a beginner or you are looking to improve your skills, this course is designed to empower you into the world of digital marketing. And with my years of experience in the digital marketing industry, I am going to show you the exact skills and strategies that works. By the end of this course, you'll be able to launch a successful campaign, advance your career, and improve your business goals. Enroll now to take your first step towards success. Visit PalmtechnIQ.com and enroll. I'll see you in class.